Hi everyone, I'm Tabitha from Yardstick Landscapes, and today we're going to cover how to structurally prune crepe myrtles. When it comes to picking your heights, you can go as low or as high as you need. It just comes down to taking your new seasons of growth off so you get a nice bloom in the next season. So this stem here, as it's crossing over your arching here, you can see it's rubbing on this stem. So I would remove this inner branch right back to the collar. So I would take it off at a higher point. This is the 3-cut method, just to take the weight off, and then you do a clean cut closer to the collar. I hope this pruning video has helped you for this season. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to us on gardens@yardstick.net.au, and our maintenance team would love to help.